Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to enable Autosave feature on Camtasia Studio. Open Camtasia Studio on your computer. On the home screen, click on New Project. A blank editing workspace will appear. In the top menu bar, click on Edit. From the drop-down menu, select Preferences. A Preferences window will open. Click on the Program tab at the top. Under the Autosave section, check the box that says Enable Autosave. You can also set the time interval for how often Camtasia should save your project automatically. After setting your preferences, click OK to save the changes. This is how you can enable Autosave feature on Camtasia Studio. Thank you for watching.